How good did that look? Now, you've probably seen these types of video animations more and more recently, and there's a good reason for that. Videos account for 57% of all consumer traffic on the internet, and that's going to rise to 79% in the next 2 years. 64% of consumers are more likely to purchase a product after watching a video. But just having video is no longer enough. Over 400 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every single minute. And that means if you want your videos to get attention, they've got to make your viewers go, wow. Animations that you just saw used to be something that you could only create by spending thousands of dollars on software like Adobe After Effects. But now you can join over 6,000 people already using videos to create animations like you've just seen in just 3 clicks.
Really, Viddyoze is one of the biggest points in my arsenal for creative coolness.
We made a lot of videos, both for our own products and for clients, but we knew our videos needed to stand out. That's why we started getting these fancy logo animations made, because the difference it makes is huge. But after 10 times of paying $80 per animation and waiting a week to get them back, you just start thinking there has to be a better way to do this. Viddyoze is really about freedom. It's completely cloud-based, so you can create your animations from anywhere. And it's all completely automated. So that means you're never waiting around for your video to get to the front of some overworked guy's queue. You just select the templates you want and set it going on our servers. All the magic's done inside your browser. You don't need a high-end computer or any special expensive software. A couple of clicks and you're done.
I love it because it is so easy to use. The simplicity, it's just so quick, anybody can do it.
Our templates have been crafted by professional animators and designers, and as you can see, the result is absolutely stunning. And unlike other animation platforms, Viddyoze isn't designed to do just one thing. In fact, what we're about to show you is going to change everything you think you know about video animation. Viddyoze 2.0 can do everything. You want an amazing intro? You've got it. Just select a template from the library, customize it to match your brand, and add your logo. That's it. That's really how simple it is. You can even create social animations to drive more likes, more shares, and even more retweets and boost your social engagement. You've got slick transition animations that make cutting between scenes smooth and professional. And of course, you've got outros and call to actions to make your videos more memorable, but more importantly, make them convert. Now the crazy thing is, we've been championing these kinds of animations since September 2015. In fact, we've already got over 6,000 users doing these kinds of animations. We've generated more than 50,000 video animations since last year and over 10 million frames of video animations. But look, what we're about to show you now is the next level of video animation.
Viddyoze 2.0 is all about dynamic video animation. This is brand new technology and it's about to put you on the cutting edge of video animation. You can have the most amazing intro or outro, but what happens in between these two? That's what Viddyoze 2.0 is about to change. Dynamic animation means you can have your video and our animations playing at the very same time. So as you're watching this video right now, you know my name. Now that's a lower third, and that gives you instant authority right away in your videos. These are created with our dynamic video animation engine in just 3 clicks inside the cloud. And look now, we've got animated callouts inside of the video. You can grow your social media following right inside your videos. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. And you can even use text animations over the top of your videos to drive what your viewers do. Get more subscribers, click below for more. It makes your videos stand out and keeps your viewers engaged. And that's not all, there's more. Viddyoze 2.0 is going to allow you to create cinematic overlays that look like they've come right out of Hollywood. Look at how this video is changing as you watch it right now. This isn't some camera trickery or anything like that. These are video filters and animated overlays that are created inside of videos automatically with a few clicks of the mouse. With Viddyoze 2.0, you've got flexibility like nothing else on the planet, and all of this is possible in the cloud.
On top of that, every Viddyoze template comes with its own professionally produced music track that's been made specifically for each and every template. What that means is that you don't just end up with random background audio for these animations. They've all been specifically created to purpose by our own animation music team. And the best part is that you don't have to fiddle around to add audio to the animation. You literally have to click a button and the audio gets added to the video. But we wanted to give people more than just video animations. We saw all these contractors out there charging $80 for logo stingers. And that's something you can do with just 5 minutes of work using Viddyoze. So we thought, hey, why not let our customers do the same thing? I mean, $80 for a few minutes of work, I'd take that all day long.
The commercial license lets you cash in on the fact that most entrepreneurs and business owners have no time, skill, or patience to actually create these types of animations themselves. Instead, they're happy to pay an animator $50, $80, even over $100 a time to create these for them. With Viddyoze, you can take full advantage of this situation by creating animations inside of Viddyoze and selling them on to entrepreneurs and business owners that desperately need this service. They send you their logo, you fire it into Viddyoze, choose a template and render out an amazing animation in just a few minutes and get paid. And the market here is truly huge. You can sell animations on Fiverr, Upwork, other freelancer sites. In fact, we have Viddyoze users doing this right now. And let's look outside of the online space. Think of all of those businesses, business owners, entrepreneurs that live local to you right now that could use some upgraded video animation for their business. The market is truly infinite. And because Viddyoze makes this so easy, there's truly no limit to the amount of animations you can create. The only limit here is your imagination.
Viddyoze has been a long time in the making, and there have been a lot of tough decisions, but probably no more so than what to charge. We love Viddyoze and want to get it out to as many people as possible because we know it's going to help video marketers in a way that no other product or service can come close to. Viddyoze has been closed for the last 8 months, but for the next few days we're going to make it available to you at a special price, and we're never going to do this ever again. During this special launch of Viddyoze 2.0, you can become a member for a one-off investment. High quality, professional level animations will be available to you, and you'll never need to think about paying a contractor again. It's the best and fairest deal we could possibly bring to you. We've got big things planned for Viddyoze, and that you can have no learning curve, no expensive contractor fees, no more boring videos.
And with Viddyoze 2.0 dynamic animation technology, you're not just going to be creating videos easier than everybody else, yours are going to be way more impressive. The dynamic animation technology is going to give you access to a level of effects that simply no other platform can produce.